We've already done lesson number 1, that is computer or magic machine, and lesson number 2, that is parts of the computer. So everybody is aware about the different parts of computer and what are the different uses of these parts of a computer. Now we will be studying this lesson about the uses of a computer. Everything has got some or the other use. If it is not useful for us, for example, I have this pencil in hand. If my pencil is not able to make me write properly, if I cannot write properly with the pencil, for example, then there is no point, okay? If there will be no point. So in that case, everything has a purpose. If it is not useful, then there is no point of using it. So in this lesson, we are going to know about the different uses of a computer. There are various uses. These are given in the form of different points. We'll go through it, okay? So wherever I'm reading, just put your fingers, children. So this is the magic machine. Okay, so this magic machine is saying, hello kids. Who are these kids? You all are the lovely children. So, children are also called lovingly kids. So, hello kids. Now, I am going to tell you how WONDER, wonder, FUL, full, wonderful computers are. How wonderful computers? That means how great computers are. And what all things can be done with the help of a computer. So this little cute boy says, what makes a computer wonderful? So this boy asks the computer that what are the qualities that makes the computer wonderful? ऐसी कौन सी क्वालिटीज होती हैं कंप्यूटर में जो उसको खास बना देती हैं, that makes it special and great, that it is so much in demand. Okay, so now the computer answers. He's asked a question. See, there's a question mark at there, no? He has asked a question. What ka matlab? Kya? So the computer answers. Obviously we know that the computer is a machine. It cannot answer, but just for the excitement purpose, it's been created like this, okay? So there are many tasks that a computer does for you. So it says there are many tasks. Tasks means different work. Work ka matlab काम. So there are many tasks, there are many different works that can be done with the help of a computer. Okay? So again we have two little cute children, a boy and a girl, and they say, what are THOSE, those tasks? So now the computer, see, it's got muscles. So everybody should drink a glass of milk daily so that you also have these big muscles. Okay? And so it says, okay friends, let's have a look. So let's start reading and we'll turn the page now. So we are on page number 20. The very first use of a computer is drawing and COLOURING, coloring. Everybody knows that a computer can help you draw and color. So this says computers can help you draw and paint. We are aware that a computer is a very smart machine. It can help us to draw whatever we want and also allow us to paint. We don't have to dirty our hands also. We don't need brushes also. Our mouse will be the pencil to draw, and then by choosing different things we can color also. So read this box, put your fingers on you. You can draw and paint anything very easily. Anything ka matlab kuch bhi. So you can draw and paint anything very easily just by using the mouse. So as I told you, your mouse is going to be your eraser, your pencil, your color box, your color brush, everything. You just have to click by using the mouse. We'll get down to the next one. The second use over here is SOLVING, solving. SUMS, sums. So what are sums? Just look at what the girl is doing here. She is multiplying. Everybody knows multiplication, no? You know the tables and everything. So here the girl is multiplying. If we want, for example, if I write 48 plus 96 is equal to question mark. Okay, so this is a math sum. Sum over here means the maths related questions. Okay, so this is a math sum. Just to add these numbers, it will take us time. We need to do the rough work separately, and then we're going to get the answer here. So a computer can help us get the answer in just few seconds. Okay, so we'll just type. And how do you type? With the help of a keyboard. You type with the help of a keyboard, and then very easily you're going to get your answer. So it says you can do your sums very quickly. QUICK, quickly. And ACCURATELY. AC sounds ac. CU ka sound will come Q. ACU. RATE, rate. LY, ly. So it will be ac, q, rate, and then ly. Okay. So in 4 different parts you're going to pronounce the word. It says accurately. So now understand what does this mean. We can do the sums very quickly. That means it will not take much time. And we can do it accurately means 99.9%. Like most of the times you are going to get a correct answer. Unless and until you have typed something wrong. अगर आपने कुछ गलत टाइप नहीं किया तब तक आपको गलत आंसर नहीं मिलेगा. For example, here we had to add 8 and 6, isn't it? So अगर एक भी नंबर मैंने कम ऐड किया, if I'm doing it on my fingertips or I'm using a calculator, if I have not pressed the correct number, then my answer would be wrong. But if I do it with the help of a computer, then definitely I'm going to get a correct answer. So accurately over here means that 100% almost you're going to get the correct answer. Okay, children? Children, now we come towards the third use of computer, that is playing games. Nowadays our smartphones have become our mini computers. We can do everything, but we can play n number of games, a lot of games, without much effort on a computer. So a computer can help us play games with you. Put your fingers here. You can play all sorts of games. You can do bike riding, car games, then whatever is available. You can play cricket, football, any game can be played easily with the help of a mouse and a keyboard. Both these are very, very important parts of computer. So mouse and keyboard helps us in playing the games also. You can play lots of games on a computer. Lots means बहुत ज़्यादा. You can play games like, look at the games, boxing, BOXING, boxing. Everybody knows what's a boxing. Cricket. You can also be a batsman and then start playing cricket. You can be a car racer also by playing in it. Car racing and many other games. Okay. So now we move towards the next one that says watching movies and cartoons. This is another use. Sometimes we get bored, we don't feel like playing games daily, or we don't feel like drawing and coloring daily also. So what we can do is we can watch different movies, we can watch cartoons, we can watch all sorts of movies, cartoons, by inserting, this is the CPU as you see, it has a CD drive where you can put your CDs. of games and movies and everything, and then you can enjoy by watching. You can attach speakers here for more good quality of sound. Okay, so this says you can also WATCH watch का मतलब देखना. Okay, so you can also watch MOVIES movies. You can watch any kind of movies, Hindi movies, that is Bollywood, Hollywood, cartoon movies, cartoon shows, your favorite cartoons, your nursery rhymes, the videos of it, anything can be played on a computer. Okay, so cartoons on a computer. You can watch movies like Spider-Man. So I hope you've seen the very, very interesting movie of Spider-Man. If you haven't, please tell your parents to make you watch that. It is very good. And then we have Donald Duck. Cartoon movies are very cute and good, and they are a very great source of entertainment. It entertains you and then relaxes your mind. Okay, children? So this was the fourth use. So I'll very quickly recall these 4 uses that we've done. This was the first one. Okay, this was the first one, drawing and coloring. Then solving sums was the second use. Then we've done playing games and watching movies and cartoons. These were the 4 different uses of computer that can be used in a very better way, so that full utilization of computer in all the possible manners can be done. So children, I'm ending this video. This was the first part of the explanation of the video, and then the further explanation will be done in the part 2. Okay? Thank you.